What's the meaning of bakkie? Bakkie. Bakkie.
Bakkie. Bakkie. Bakkie is a South African term that refers to a light commercial vehicle, LCV, with an open cargo area at the back, similar to a pickup truck. The word is derived from the Dutch word bak, which means container or bin. Bakkies are popular in South Africa and other parts of Africa, where they are commonly used for farming, construction, and transportation of goods. They have also gained popularity for personal transportation due to their versatility and affordability. Bakkies come in different sizes, shapes, and designs, and can be powered by petrol, diesel, or electricity. Overall, bakkies are an important part of the South African automotive landscape.